Paano maging confident Pinoy? Tip number 9. Kung mahihain ka pero gusto mong umasenso sa buhay, pakinggan mo to hanggang dulo kasi promise mapapaisip ka talaga. Alam mo, tayong mga Pilipino, bawat isa sa atin, darating yung point na kailangan mo talagang mag-decide. At ito yung pinaka-importanting decision na gagawin mo bilang Pinoy. The decision is this: magpapaka-accountable ka ba sa sarili mo o hindi? Ikaw ba mismo ang hahawak ng buhay mo, pati ng personal growth mo? Bilang Pinoy, dalawa lang ang options mo. Option 1, bahala na. Gawin mo na lang kung anong trip mo, no plan, no progress, no direction, no judgment. That's your life. Good luck. Enjoy. Option 2, I will work on myself. Mag-i-invest ka sa sarili mo, kain ka na mas healthy, matututo ka na ng bagong skills, and unti-unti aayusin mo na yung buhay mo. Ito yung katotohanan na kailangan tanggapin mo kung mature ka na sa buhay. Walang ibang magiging accountable sa growth mo kung hindi ikaw. Confidence is your ROI, return of investment. If inalagaan mo katawan mo, then you will get confidence. If inalagaan mo yung utak mo, nagbabasa ka, you're always learning, then automatic you will have confidence. Now, sasabihin mo, kasi Arjo, alam mo, ang hirap kasing mag-grow eh. Alam mo, hindi mahirap mag-grow. Tingin mo, mahirap mag-grow kasi kino-compare mo yung sarili mo sa iba. Grow at your own pace. Huwag mo i-compare yung iba sa sarili mo. Take your time. Hindi to paunahan. Day by day, araw-araw, you're getting better. Mind, body, and soul. Wake up, kabayan. Your best investment is in yourself. Promise, I promise you, you will not regret that decision. Hi, kabayan. Alam mo, since nandito ka, no, pinanood mo hanggang dulo yung video, alam mo, I hope you really decide to take option 2 to be more accountable with yourself. And if you've already decided to do that, I urge you, let's lift each other up. Please like this video para kumalat. Please comment G for game. Na game ka na to be accountable, to challenge yourself. You're accepting the challenge to work on yourself, to grow. Repost this, share it with your friends para mapaisip din sila. Alam mo, if you look at the world today, no, it's really interesting times. Nandiyan na yung AI, nandiyan na yung robots. You know, we have World War III, yung bagyo sa Pilipinas, yung problema natin with our government in Pilipinas. We really have it. Parang parang the universe is forcing us to grow. And if we will not grow, wala, chichubugin talaga tayo, no? Sa bagyo pa lang, with our government pa lang, chichubugin